Hello, I'm Carla and welcome to our Edwardian home in London, England. One item I would like to share with you is this amazing watercolour painting that a lady kindly gave us at Christmas, and that was just on a website where people give things away free of charge. I just thought it was a print, honestly, and because I enjoy original art, or any art quite frankly, I just thought, oh, that's fine, pick it up, it's Christmas themed, we can have seasonal art in the house. The other option is, if you think that the print or painting is not good quality, you can basically swap it out and put in a print or painting that you enjoy. What would you do if you discovered you had a valuable piece of art free of charge? Would you sell it? Would you display it? Or would you just use the frame for a picture that you really liked? As you can see, this is how it was given to us. We haven't done this. So it's absolutely in excellent condition, and it was actually used in the lady's house. What I thought was beautiful about it is that it's just a watercolour and a pretty winter scene. So it just means that we can basically use this, and because it was free, it's not sentimental to us, so we can just swap it in and out according to seasons. So that's that one piece. So this is free of charge, a beautiful original piece of art. And then finally, this is something that most normal people would not have in their kitchen diner, but this is my latest freebie, a free wooden chest of drawers. So this is technically for a bedroom, and a lady was giving it away free of charge. And we said, yes, please, we'll take it. I went and picked it up straight away, and she had warned us that there was coffee marks, like ring marks on the side. And the drawers inside are not bad, they need hoovering out, but they're basically like soft material, so they won't damage your clothes. And this is not a wooden piece, this is MDF, so medium density fiberboard, so it's like a composite of wood. I just thought, oh, when I saw it, we're going to paint this, because technically it's a modern piece posing as an old-fashioned piece. All of this trim is MDF, so it just needs a light sand over, and then I honestly think it's going to end up, I don't think it'll stay white, I think it's going to end up green, like a green chalk paint with a dark wax over the top, but we'll do that as a separate video. But I just thought that was quite nice because that's a bit of a freebie. Let me know in the comments what you would do. Would you paint it, or would you sell it and take the cash and run? And so that's it. Bye for now, and we'll see you in the next video.